So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can restore phone icon on your Android phone. And for this video, we will be using Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So as you can see here, the phone icon is missing on the home screen. But there's a way by which you can get it back. For this, open the app drawer on your phone. To open the app drawer, swipe up and this will open the app drawer. Now here, tap on the search bar and search for phone. Now this is the phone app icon. To add it to the home screen, long press it and then tap on add to home. And this will add the phone app icon to the home screen. To change its location, long press it and drag it to where you want to keep it. For example, here. And that's it. So this is how you can restore phone icon on Android. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.